In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gamesir Cyclone to the PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Cyclone 2 is a multi-platform controller from Gamesir, and you can easily connect it and use it with a PC. You have two main ways of doing this. First, you can do it using a USB-C cable, which will be provided when you purchase this controller, or you can do it wirelessly. So to start, I'm going to be talking about the cable method first. Skip ahead if you want to use it wirelessly. If you want to use it through a cable, just plug one end of the USB-C cable that they provide you with on the controller, and the other end goes into your PC. There is no secret to this. This will also be used to charge the controller. So when the controller is low on battery, you will have to plug it in. And by doing this, it is going to begin charging, allowing you to use it wirelessly if you want. So if you want to use it wirelessly, you will have various ways of connecting it. I recommend using the dongle. This dongle or receiver will give you the lowest latency possible compared to something like Bluetooth. But if you want to, or if the device that you are connecting it to only has access to Bluetooth, then you can follow along. These are all the connection methods. If you want to connect it over Bluetooth, you will have to press the Gamesir icon alongside the right button here on the main buttons. This is going to be Gamesir plus the B button. By doing this, the lights will begin blinking and you can choose it from the list of available devices. However, like I said before, I do not recommend using Bluetooth. So if you want to connect it with the receiver, press the Gamesir button plus X. The receiver can be connected here if you have the charging base, and then you connect the charging base to your PC using a USB-C cable, which will allow the controller to charge when it is resting here, or you can connect the receiver directly to your PC. So it's up to you. Either connect the receiver on the base and then the base to the PC, or connect the receiver directly to your PC. Either way, as soon as you press the combination of Gamesir plus the X button, it is going to pair itself up with the receiver. So in short, press the Gamesir button plus X, and upon doing this, it will pair itself up with the receiver wirelessly. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.